Rise, heartbeat of the people, drumline of the land. Now rhythm they move with forward. From the sun at night to the Cape of Hope, we dey rise, even when the system choke. You know easy, but we get the scope. Resilience, they flow like palm oil for pots. Dancing the pain, we dey turn out to joy. Even with tears, we dey raise our voice. No electricity, still they shine. Cause the fire, they burn deep inside, but our heart grow. From the motherland to the world, we dey beat that African drum. Every beat, that story untold. Still we dey move, still we dey run. This is the African pulse. Beat of my soul, heart never dull. Under the sun, under the storm, we still dey rise, we still dey strong. African pulse. We dey waka, we dey push. African pulse, so Congo to Accra, we dey move. Them try copy, but them no fit feel the real power where they under our heel. Royal blood from the Nile to the place, where they sing freedom inside our chains. Sure you hear them talking drum, they call our spirit, they carry us storm. For every village, street and ghetto, Africa they live in every echo. Got a heart oh. Oh mama Africa, you be my blood, you be my beat. Now you be my melody, even the pain I know they quit, never quit. This is the African pulse, beat of my soul, heart never done. Under the sun, under the storm, we still dey rise, we still dey strong. African pulse, we dey waka, we dey push. African pulse, from Addis to Soweto, we dey groove. This no be just music, this na movement. African pulse, you know they die, it just evolve. Heartbeat continues.